Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to uninstall and delete apps on the MetaQuest 3S or the MetaQuest 3. This is actually the new UI and a lot of people are complaining that they cannot uninstall or delete the applications. Now what you want to do is to tap on the menu button on the right hand controller, so you're in this particular menu page, and to uninstall or delete any application you just have to point at that particular application and then long press on the trigger button. Now you're going to get this option. All you just have to do now is to tap on the remove from library, so it doesn't say uninstall particularly, and now you have the option to uninstall from over here. So go ahead and tap on uninstall, and now this particular app has been uninstalled, but it's still going to be here, enabling you to be able to easily install it whenever you want. But if you want to totally remove it from here, you just have to long press on it again, and then you're going to get the option to hide. So go ahead and tap on hide from over here, tap on hide, and now the application will be completely removed from your apps menu. However, you can also be able to find it whenever you want to find it by tapping on this 3-line icon over here. Go over to hidden and you should be able to see all of your hidden application. You can bring it back from over here by simply long pressing on it again, and then you have the option to unhide directly from here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.